The displacement of a particle moving in a straight line is given by this formula. Displacement is t square minus 6t plus 10, where t is measured in seconds. In part A, we need to find the average velocity over the time intervals 2, 4 and 3, 4. So we need to find the average velocity. There are two average velocities over these two time intervals, and find the instantaneous velocity when t equals 4. Okay, and we need to find the instantaneous velocity as well. Let's recall the formulas. We know the average velocity over some time interval t1 to t2 is given by just change in the displacements. Evaluate the displacement at t2 minus t1 and divide by the change in times t2 minus t1. That's the average velocity. And the instantaneous velocity is basically the slope of tangent line or the derivative. So this is the derivative formula. Okay, st is the displacement minus st plus h, everything divided by h, and take the limit. So in part A, let's answer this. Over the time interval 2, 4, over 2, 4, the average velocity, so average velocity is given by this formula. So displacement at 4 s4 minus s2 divided by 4 minus 2, which is, evaluate this displacement. Here is the displacement function. Okay, evaluate this at 4, just plug in 4 here. 4 square minus 6 times 4 plus 10. Okay, and use your calculator. That will be 2 minus s2. Evaluate this displacement one more time with 2, so plug in t equals 2 and you also get 2 over 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, over 2 is 0. So the average velocity over this time interval 2, 4 is 0 meters per second. And we need to find the average velocity over 3, 4. So let me write here, over 3, 4, the average velocity is given by same formula. The displacement at 4 s4 minus s3 divided by 4 minus 3. Evaluate the displacement at 4, so plug in 4 here. 4 square minus 6 times 4 plus 10, you will get 2 minus s3. Plug in 3 here. 3 square minus 6 times 3 plus 10, that will be 1 over 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, over 1 is 1 meter per second. Okay, so these are the two average velocities. In part B, we need to find the instantaneous velocity. So here's the formula, which is the derivative, by the way, and the formula is limit h goes to 0 of st plus h minus st over h, where st is the displacement given. This is the given function. That is limit h goes to 0, h minus there st, that's given here. This is the function st. So let me put parentheses around, because negative 1, there is negative, means negative 1, that we need to distribute later. So this is t square minus 6t plus 10 st plus h. So replace t by t plus h. So this is t plus h squared minus 6t plus h plus 10. So I'm out of room, so plus 10. And in fact, this is the instantaneous velocity at any time t. And in this question we are actually finding a t equals 4, so we can replace t by 4 if we like. Okay, we can replace t throughout by 4 to make this calculation simpler. So we can write in this way. This is the instantaneous velocity at any time t. So instantaneous velocity at when t equals 4. So we just replace a t by 4. So this will be limit h goes to 0, t is in fact 4, plus h quantity square minus 6, 4 plus h plus 10 minus inside replace t by 4. 4 is squared, 16 minus 6 times 4, 24 plus 10. Everything divided by h. Now let's evaluate this limit. That's the final answer. That is limit h goes to 0 of 4 plus h quantity square. So we need to FOIL. Multiply 4 plus h by itself. Just do over here 4 plus h times quantity 4 plus h. 4 plus h, 4 plus h. Just multiply. We get 16 plus 8h plus h square. Minus 6, distribute this minus 6. Minus 24 minus 6h plus 10. We can simplify these numbers. 16 plus 10, 26, minus 24, 2. So minus 2 all over h, which is limit h goes to 0. Inside here now 16 plus 10, 26, minus 24 minus 2 minus 26. So 16, 10, 26, positive 26, minus 26 cancel. Then we have now 8h minus 6h, 8 minus 6, so 2h plus h square. Okay, this is 2 over h. Now to cancel h we need to factor on the top. So h out, 2 plus h over h. Now we can cancel h from top and bottom and evaluate this limit. So replace h by 0. So 2 plus 0, just 2. So this is the instantaneous velocity at when t equals 4. So this is velocity, so meters per second. Final.